Hello, everyone. Today, let's dive into the fascinating journey of blueberries, those small, deep blue gems, from sprawling fields to high-tech processing lines. This is not just a story about agriculture but a testament to the creativity, perseverance, and ambition of Asian farmers striving to make a mark on the global stage. Blueberries, originally native to North America, have captured global markets with their high nutritional value and unique taste. In Asia, countries like China, Japan, South Korea, and India have heavily invested in turning this fruit into a premium agricultural product for both domestic consumption and export. Meticulous preparations from day one. Blueberries requires strict growing conditions, including acidic soil and a temperate climate with moderate sunlight. Farms in Asia, particularly in highland regions or cool climates like Yunnan Province in China or Jeju Island in South Korea, have adopted advanced cultivation technologies. Hybrid plant varieties are used to produce larger, sweeter berries with high yields. Sustainable farming practices, drip irrigation systems and organic fertilizers protect the environment while optimizing production. The golden moment, harvest time. Blueberries are typically harvested during the summer months, from May to August, when the berries reach their peak ripeness with a deep blue hue and a natural frosty bloom. Hand-picked care. Each berry is gently picked by hand to avoid bruising, ensuring the highest quality. On-site sorting. Once harvested, the berries are graded by size and ripeness before being transported to processing facilities within 24 hours to preserve their freshness. Step 1. Washing and sorting. At the processing facilities, blueberries are thoroughly washed in cold water to remove dirt and bacteria. Then, advanced optical scanners sort the berries, discarding those that don't meet quality standards. Step 2. Value-added processing. Freshly packed blueberries. Fresh berries are packed into plastic clamshells or vacuum-sealed bags, retaining their flavor and freshness. These products are exported to demanding markets like Japan, the United States, and Europe. Blueberry juice. The berries are pressed for juice and bottled, creating a product rich in antioxidants and highly sought after for its health benefits. Blueberry juice is gaining popularity, especially in Asian markets. Blueberry jam. The berries are cooked with sugar and natural preservatives to create a jam with a perfect balance of sweet and tangy flavors. This jam is not only a breakfast favorite, but also used in baking and desserts. Blueberry powder. After being freeze-dried, blueberries are ground into a fine powder, widely used in functional foods, confectionery, and beverages. Dried blueberries. Using advanced freeze-drying technology, the berries retain their natural flavor and nutrients. Dried blueberries make for a perfect healthy snack, especially popular among the younger generation. Challenges and solutions in Asia's blueberry industry. Challenges. Climate limitations. Some blueberry growing regions face challenges with high temperatures or excessive humidity. Storage and transport. Blueberries are highly perishable, requiring modern cold storage systems for export. Solutions. Greenhouse cultivation. Farms in Japan and South Korea have adopted greenhouse systems to control temperature and humidity, enabling optimal blueberry growth. Investment in logistics. Advanced cold chain storage and rapid transport systems ensure Asian blueberries reach international markets with exceptional quality. From lush fields to innovative products. The journey of blueberries in Asia is not just a tale of hard work, but a testament to the transformative power of modern agriculture. Let's share this inspiring story far and wide. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to catch more exciting videos like this.